Welcome to the club, everyone, and thanks for joining me today. We're going to start along the bottom left side of the page with the bottom edge of the hood. So let's start with a straight line from left to right. We're going to go all the way across towards the right side. Now let's go back to the left. We're going to draw the hood. We're going to go up, round this out, come across, and then bend that down towards the right side. From here, we're going to work our way across the windshield. From here, let's go up towards the top, and we'll curve the windshield, following that same curve along the bottom, going up and then down to right about there. Let's angle this back down and then out. Let's add the eyelid about halfway down and add a curve going across and then down. And then in the middle, we're just going to separate this with two angled lines, one on the left and then one on the right. Let's place the pupils inside the windshield. So right here, we're going to draw a circle. Go all the way around and then up. Now we move all the way over towards the right side and do the same thing. Going around and then up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. And then in the middle of the eye, we're going to draw a small circle tucked in behind that highlight for the pupil, and we'll fill that in black. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the edge of the car. We're going to go out, around, and then bend that down. Now along the edge, we're going to draw an oval for the headlight. Now we just want to line this up all the way over towards the right side. Right here, draw that same sized oval. Let's trace the headlights along the inside. Let's go back to the side, draw the bumper. We want to start by bending this down in the middle, go up, and then bend that out. Let's round up the ends of the bumper with a curve. Going back to the left side, let's follow that same curve, coming down the middle, up, and then across. Now in here, we're drawing the grille. From this point, draw a straight line going across. Go back to the left side, and go up, go across just underneath the hood, and then bend that back down. Let's add some texture across that grille. On the left side, we're going to bend this out and then down. And we just want to work our way across towards the right. Now this area in here is the mouth of the character, so we're going to start with a curve for the edge of the mouth. We're going to draw the tongue, bend this up and then in underneath the grill. And let's fill this area in black. Now from the edge of the bumper, we're going to draw the wheel well. We're going to go up, around, and then down. Let's tuck the wheel in behind. So we'll start back at the top. We'll draw an oval, coming down towards the bottom, round this out, and then pull that up. Now from this line, angle this up and then out. Let's draw the bottom of the tire, from the bottom of the oval, bend this across, and then up underneath the body. Let's trace this tire along the inside with a smaller oval, with a hubcap. And then on the edge, we're going to add a trim. Let's go underneath the bumper on the left side. We'll draw the tire coming down and then bending that up. From the bottom, just curve this up underneath. Let's fill the inside of the tire in black. Now from this point, we want to continue towards the back of the car. Bend this across and then up. Let's add a curve going up and then out. Now we're going to go back to the hood. We're going to go up, bend this around the headlight, come across and then down, then it's out and then down towards the bottom. Let's go back to the hood along the bottom. I'm going to add a small symbol with a curve coming in toward the middle, close off the top. Let's add the mirror in this area. I'm going to start with a half oval, coming around and then out, and then round out the outside. Let's go to the top left side. We're going to draw the top of the car. We're going to bend this out, go across, and then back down. Let's draw the top of the car. We go up, across, and then bring that all the way down towards the bottom. Let's add the trunk, going out and then down. Let's tuck the tire in underneath, so right here, bend this down, and then up. Let's trace the tire along the inside, and then just like we did along the front, we're just going to add a trim from the bottom of the tire, bends out, and then up. Let's add the bumper with a curve. And we're going to add 2 antennas. Right from here, angle is up and out, add a little circle on the end, and then along the back. We're going to add 1 more. Let's draw the side windows. From the top of the mirror, angle is up, go all the way across, and then down towards the back. And we'll draw a straight line from the mirror going out. Let's add 2 lines to separate the windows. Add 1 more along the front. Now from the mirror, it's going to add a trim for the door coming down. Let's go to this separation, bend this out, and then down towards the bottom. And we'll close out the bottom with another curve. Now I want to add a trim going along the side of the car. From the top, start by bending this up, go all the way across towards the back, and then down. From the bottom, just going to trace this all the way back. Now underneath the headlights, we're going to add 1 more circle on either side. Let's go all the way up to the top. We're going to add that siren. We're going to go up, around, and then down. Close out the bottom with a curve. On either side, let's add those sirens. Start with an oval on the left and right side. Now on the right side, we're going to add a curve for the inside. Go back to the top left, draw the back, coming around and then out. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Sheriff from Pixar Cars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.